Mary had me write a bunch of people's names. Look, I think we know who her favorite is. I think it's JoJo. Mary, can you say hi? Can you say hi, everyone?
Hi, everyone.
Can you blow kisses? What's your name?
Mary.
Mary, what's a penguin do?
Walk, walk.
What's a gorilla do?
Victims.
They bang on the windows.
More.
What do alligators say?
Oh, oh.
What do elephants say? What do fishies say? You okay? What do doggies say? What do kitty cats say?
Meow.
What's Brutus dogs say? What's Stolly dogs say? What's a lion say? What's a cow say? What's a horsey say? What's a piggy say? What's an owl say? No, an owl. What's a birdie say? What's a ducky say?
Cock.
What's a chicken say? What's a turkey say? What's Elmo say? What's Oscar the Grouch say? What's Yep. What's Cookie Monster say? What's Big Bird say? What's Nana say? Say bye-bye.